What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. Friday, love me Fridays. Friday, March 14th, 2025. Heading to my first service call of the day. We have a new residential client. They just had installed by a unlicensed contractor a Bosch singular combi boiler. Like literally 5 days ago. And it's leaking. Let that sink in. Oh man, I got cocky on my wrap.
So I had a Navion that crapped out on me. Lasted about 12 years.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah. So
Okay.
Then I had this installed.
You know, it's funny. It's like the reverse carbon copy of it.
It is. I know that.
You saw that? You noticed that?
I saw it. So
what made you go with the singular?
my cousin's a plumber. He's like, oh, they're the best ones out. So now I'm yelling
They're
at
very
him.
good. Well, they're very good systems.
Well, it's freaking leaking. I got no luck, man.
So what happened with the installer?
So basically, he's saying it's nothing he can do because it's internal, and Bosch ain't gonna deal with him because he's not certified through them.
Did he call them?
Yeah.
Yeah, really?
And then they gave me a couple numbers. I called Bosch.
Okay.
And they gave me a couple
That's
numbers and said, you know, they're not going to just deal with him.
Why is the condensate driven to a
So
pump?
I just, I have it. I just don't, it's loud.
Oh!
It's loud. I don't like
The
it.
pump is loud?
Yeah, it's just, because we're like right above, I guess.
Oh.
It's annoying. So I just do that. But also, this is here because of the leak, too.
Gotcha.
So it's leaking right now. You can see.
I was looking at the piping as well.
No.
So single zone.
Yes, one zone. It's leaking right through this thing here.
Yeah.
Just keeps dripping.
Okay.
I don't know, man.
That sucks. I'm sorry.
Yeah, it sucks. I have no luck with these things. As you can see, I got parts from the other shit.
Yeah.
I
They're
changed.
still green, by the way. Well, how is that possible?
I changed every...
How many parts of that did you change?
I personally changed everything in that.
Yeah?
Everything. Every goddamn thing possible. And I'm not kidding. I probably would do this too because I'm not bad with this stuff.
Yeah.
I just don't want to do it because if something's broke or anything, they're not going to honor it.
This sort of drip. Oh, yeah, look at that. It's a steady drip.
Yep, it's been. I noticed it the third day. I came back down, and there's a puddle here, right here, where your foot is.
Yeah.
And I'm like, what the hell? What's going on? I opened it up and looked, and there you go. I just kept drying it out a little, just so I don't, so it didn't rust. I don't see nothing dripping.
All right, so there is the inlet and outlet pipes feeding the manual feed valve, which is leaking. All right, while I'm waiting for Platsky, the local Bosch rep, to get back to me if they have those in stock, taking a pressure reading with the system running, 6.3 inches of water column, which is good. Very, very nice. Dead on.
We literally have, with tax, $27 worth of parts. $27 worth of parts. To get these replacement parts, I need to call my local distributor that sells Bosch and sells the singular. And chances are they're not going to have these parts in stock. They're going to have to submit a PO to the local sales rep in my area, which is Platsky. Great guys, by the way, especially Antonio. Thank you so much for helping me out this morning, by the way, Antonio. Really appreciate it. Platsky is then going to acquire the parts and then ship them to me. All right, and then I have to submit a warranty claim on the parts, which is even more paperwork. So I'm gonna probably spend about a half hour of administrative labor ordering parts under warranty and then submitting paperwork to get those parts covered under warranty and getting reimbursed for the money we spent buying these parts. Huh? Crazy, right? Crazy.